you. It's all right.
Okay, muévete. Hendrix, come here. Come here. What happened?
Toshi!
Why is it spicy?
You gotta lay it down. You're a jerk! You're ruining my plan!
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56. So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Excuse you. That is so rude. No, I do not want to play. I don't want to play. I told you this.
You here? All right, off ready.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
That's what I love. Nestle Crunch.
Don't step on my
Oh my god! Go eat. No? Alright. Go eat. Go eat. No? Alright, go eat.